Hey guys, we are back. So we are on day, I think it's like day 12 or 13. It's been a while since I've been on here with you guys, but we are out here. We're still in Don Det. I think that was like day 3 or 4. We just rode the entire island all day and just saw everything. So today I'm going to take you to what we would call a Mekong, I guess a beach. Like there's little coffee joints, but you just kind of sit on the river out here and you just kind of read a book. So today might be a short one. I don't want to be honest with you, everyone's going to be a short one when you're coming out here, just because there's not a lot to do. So I want to take you through kind of the village side of it. We got out of the main, I'm going to quote this, city area of Don Det, which is like nothing, but we are now out in the pretty much like the farm town of it all. Then you see you got spider webs in the middle of the road because nobody comes out here. But it's all fishing based. It's pretty much just people living, and that's it. I mean, you got the kids kind of chilling. Some more bikes for rent. They run like 25, 30 each. Like refill water. Like, a lot of kids out here too. It's actually kind of fun. When you get out here like 10 or 11, it'll just be massive around of kids. Hello. And the kids are like so active, you know, and they'll just come up to you like, hey, what's up? You know, and it seems like the parents are pretty chill with it too. Like, I don't know, like growing up in America, I guess, like after like the 2000s, you wouldn't really just let your kids run around the streets, you know, like nobody's looking out for anybody. And if we look here, this is it looks like abandoned, but it's just another like bungalow. There's a bunch of them. Usually it's like these guys will own it, like on this side, and on this side it'll be like their business per se, but there's not much to look at either, so it kind of makes sense, I guess. Then we have somebody taking like a taxi out of here, you see, like never pack like that, guys. I don't understand. You guys come out with like 9 bags to a place where mostly people couldn't fill half a bag with stuff they own. It's quite weird. But again, more restaurants. Pretty much everything here is a restaurant or a hostel or a combination. They're pretty much a combination. Again, another hostel. Then like the owner in the store, kind of over here. A little hot, got a little nasty ass tailpipe on it. Yeah, just a lot of houses, man. Some of these are like seriously nice too. Like we had a party over here last night. All those beers. S&M Bistro. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about with the beer. Like, I don't think they really recycle. Like, they don't really recycle a lot of the stuff out here. They just accumulate it. Like, when it comes to, like, beer bottles and stuff like that, you see them everywhere. And it's not like a few. It's like 50 to 60 to 100 of them just chilling. So, I don't know. Maybe they don't have recycle. Because I see sometimes they'll return, like, here, again. It's just crates full of just... And these are old looking bottles, too. Like, just dusted out. Like, they just never return them. I guess there's just not an incentive. I mean, they're already labeled and it's Laos, so I mean we could just like refill them and recap them. They don't do much like that. And then here we have the shaman. Whoa, a shaman tip. Okay, so we have like a normal, it seems like the left side is the living and then this side is the business. There's like a mini store right here, but it's just like it's all the same stuff. It's mostly just like processed potato chips. And you always have a chicken to grab if you want. But again, you think after a while they get these signs right. Don't trow. And we just have some like farming stuff out here. Like look how clean it is, man. It's got some trash, but it's not like ridiculously bad. Like, it's quite surprising. And then here, like a bunch more housing. So you have a nice house right here. Look at this one. It's got like the westernized roof. This one looks like a prison. Then you have like a stand-up garden. And then we're back to like the Lao version, stilts. Oh, and I was asking one of the hotel people here about the stilt houses. Like, why do they all have them? I was expecting the answer to be because we're next to the river right there. But I was like, what about within like Paxki and stuff where there is no river? And they said it's free room. You know, you have the upstairs, you have the downstairs, but you don't have to pay for 2 levels. And then you have like these tractor things here. Oh, butterfly. You see these like everywhere out here. It's kind of like, I don't know if I get you down like a good shot. But it's like it's just an engine. Like when you buy this, you're just buying an engine, and then you have to buy the wheels on the side, buy the handle and stuff like that. And they just throw it all together for you. This little Asian chick just like flew by us. It is so dusty out here. And we have golfing right here. Still haven't made that yet. This kid has been digging in the sand for like 4 days straight. And we have like another, I can't tell if that's a real spot. Oh, there's a thing here. Yeah, so this is like a motor. And then they attach like the wheels, the handle and all that stuff is like, that stuff you buy extra. All you buy is that front piece, which is just the actual motor. And then they attach everything to it. I don't know, this is something I just learned when we were at the Paxi spot. But you spend like 500 to 1,000 on, I'm guessing, because it's just a motor. And then you just get the rest of the shit turned into a little tow thing. Yeah, you see right here. So they have like the their own little thing on there. It's kind of ghetto rigged. But you just buy like this motor piece, and then everything else you attach. Or you don't, yeah, you attach, but you have to buy it. Then we're getting kind of to the open land. This is kind of like, I would say the bottom 20% of the island, and then you're going up to like the 50%. This is all the walking is. It's again loose sand. It's really, and it's just like nothing out here, man. Like if we just jump across to this land, you see like some of the land is for sale. So if you guys do want to come out here and open your own hostel, which is completely possible for a foreigner to an extent, there are ways to do it. It's not that hard, but you could do that. I don't know if you want this one because there's a karaoke joint right across the field. If we go here, there's like it's like a house, a little tree house, actual house. We have a little bar here. You see like coffee. Oh shit, it's really cheap here. Like black coffee, mango shakes. Buddy. It's like another bar. Bar Senke. And again, don't troll. Every time I see that sign, we're gonna get it better. Don't troll. Just another, yeah, more houses. This looks like they've been working on this like endlessly for the last like week. I think it's just like another, looks like a hotel almost. Yeah, like a taxi, just kind of a taxi. So thing, I guess. You know, coffee shop, J Coffees. Yes. Oh, okay, go. It's like it is a hotel. People are staying there too. Okay. Oh, I see. You have like these red buildings right here. And then right next door is like a house. You got like family chill time. It is like 11, so everyone's kind of eating. Coffee just doubled in this spot. You got a big old cock. Look at this guy, fucking security. Then we go over here. This is like a chicken pen or something like that. Chicken pen. I said pen. Hopefully you see something there. Oh, it's a pig pen. Non-kosher. We have like another house here. Oh, she was getting vegetables, so in there. Let me know below, how would you say that? Don't throw away trash. Never throw away. Then we got some hay spots. It's got like a little security fence. Fence on fence. And now we're really getting out here now. I think we've walked right about where are we at? Yeah, about 500-600 meters so far. But yeah, see all this is all, it looks like farm. Like they got it like kind of marked out, but it's so dry out here, man. Like even the rivers, we're gonna get to this like river beach here, so we're almost actually there, but it is quite low from where it normally is. I saw a couple days ago they were actually moving the hammocks and stuff farther into the river because the river is going down. But it's just hot. Like there's no night rain or nothing. It's just hot. If you're gonna come out here and rent a bike, don't walk this shit. And unless you're going farther than where we're going, you want to kind of just stay. You want to stay on a bike just because it's so far. A couple days ago we went out and we went to the other side, and I think it took right about 2 hours to get everything done. But if you were to like just walk all that shit, man, you're looking like 6-7 hours, something like 60 or 70,000 steps or something like that. And it's not worth it. Yeah, look at all the dust that they're raising up. It gets so dry out here. This chick almost crashed. So I think we're at the first beach, Bamboo Beach and Bar. I don't think this is the one we're going to though. Open fee. Oh man. So that, yeah, you can see it's a little rough. Open fee beach. You see, open fee. And I think actually here we are. Yeah, here we go. This is the one I want to show you guys. And I think there's some peeps here, so we can check it out. Keep clean together. See, that makes more sense. And it's actually clean. Welcome to Limit Fee Bridge. You see, you got people out here kind of tanning and shit. It's not bad. Park your bike here. Please don't take food or drink. Yeah, let's take it. Welcome to the Limit Free Beach Sunset. 7 a.m. Friday. Let's see who gets pissed off as. I've noticed people out here get a little annoyed when I walk off the camera. You see, stilts. Nice little area. Dude's doing a little pickup game.
Mais effectivement, oui, quand on est entre nous, ça peut vite déraper. Et tu vas avoir vite du mal à changer de vie.
That's not bad. Got like fish and shit here. It's warm too. Yeah, look at that. Got a little boat if you want to rent one. It's not even that deep either. We can really get in here. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Yeah, so you can see it kind of comes over here, goes around. Keeps going like way down here is where the waterfall is. But yeah, it's not bad. You just kind of come here and chill though. There's like nothing to do. That's kind of it. So yeah, you see, everyone's just kind of chilling. There's like nothing out here really. Like the house. Get some stuff. Dudes chilling, and everything out here kind of has the same thing going on. So if you want like coffee and stuff like that, we can see the menu from here. Yeah, it's just shakes and coffee. Like it's all the same. That's some kind of like out here. Everything is the same options, pretty much the same cost, and that's it. You know, like I don't know. Maybe it's an agreement within the town, but like nobody really undercuts anybody. Oh, chicken's gone wild. Like if I was to say like, hey, come out here for 5 days. If you ask me, hey, I want to come out there for 5 days, I'm gonna say you're gonna be bored, but and I talk you to do in 3 days. How much should you actually bring? Here's another beach one too while I talk. If you do come out here for 3 days, which is honestly, I think the middle average for most people, you're probably going to just want to bring right about $100. That would be way too much, and you'd be good. If you just kind of go basic backpacker, you're out every night getting drunk at like one of these like bars, eating the food. That would be enough. Sorry. Like that would be more than enough. And now once we get the like, see, there's another. It's kind of like a beach thing. It's got and this is a good example. So you have like the coffee shop area. It's chilling on the river. You have like this out game, and then across the street is our house and a hostel. This is how a lot of them work out here. So they just kind of buy like land separated from each other. Like, well, not separated, but like, yeah, separated, but right across the street from each other. And I don't know if you call this a fucking street or not, but it's what it is. You see that? That's actually crazy. The kid is driving the parents. There's some I've seen out here too. Like all the people that are driving out here are typically kids. They're not even like adults.